Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Android volume automatically going up or down. Okay, first things first, check if you have any other Bluetooth devices connected to your phone. Because sometimes if you have other devices connected to the sound portion of your phone, it can cause issues with random volume changes. If that still doesn't work, what you want to do is to open up the settings application and click on sound and vibration. Under the different volume panels, adjust the sound levels up or down depending on your preference. If the issue persists, try updating your Android phone software to the latest version, as this may resolve any software related bugs. Alternatively, perform a restart on your device, which can often help to reset any temporary glitches. By following the steps, you should be able to troubleshoot the automatic volume changes on your Android phone. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Android volume automatically going up or down. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.